Speaking as somebody who's done a lot of auditioning myself, particularly when I was younger, I know exactly how fear-making auditions can be. My overriding advice to anyone considering an audition is to just try and enjoy it. Remember that we are all rooting for you. We want our job to be made easy by hearing you at your very best. And you're only going to be at your very best if you feel comfortable. Even if you're considering this and thinking, maybe I'm not good enough, let us decide whether that is the case. Just put yourself forward. Our auditions are fun, they're friendly. Yes, we are looking for people to represent Wales in a national ensemble, so we are looking for excellence, but that could be you. As with anything in life, you will excel if you've really practiced, if you know exactly what you want to do, what shows yourself off to your very best advantage. People think they have to sing something that is really difficult, that is really demanding, when in actual fact, all that can often do is reveal your areas of weakness. So sing something that you're really comfortable with. Sing something that you love singing. Come into the audition with an attitude of, I'm just going to give it a go, and hopefully we'll see you in the choir next year.